Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech for Gamers. Today in this video we are going to be learning about how to turn on Do Not Disturb for Free Fire game. Whenever you are in the middle of an intense Free Fire match, nothing is more frustrating than getting interrupted by calls, messages or notifications. To avoid those distractions, you can enable Do Not Disturb mode on your phone or your tablets. First of all, launch open Free Fire game on your device and from the main lobby screen, tap on the little arrow at the right corner right under Add. After you open up this Friends tab, tap on the online or the drop down right next to the current status of yours, and then you will see Set Your Status tab. Select Do Not Disturb option, and once you have this button turned on, you'll be able to auto-reject team invites and focus on uninterrupted gameplay. By turning on this option, you ensure that your Free Fire sessions remain distraction-free. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned till then.